Hey guys, so I'm here because, let's be honest, I have a lot of stuff to open, and when I discover things that I buy and I never opened, I'm like, why is this still sitting here? For instance, all these Tokidoki pins, and I also had two Disney princess, crown pins that I found at Hobby Lobby that I still haven't opened. And a while ago, I bought this cork board, to display them and show them. So this is one series of the Tokidoki I opened. That is another one. I literally only opened one and have a ton to open. And then that's the Disney Princess Crowns. So I only have one left of the Unicorno Flower Power. Hopefully it's not a dupe because I know I already got a dupe for the Rose one. Please, please, please. It's a dupe. I already have that one. So this one is called Peony, but like I said, I already have this one. And I have 7 left of the Carnival Unicornos to open. I just never opened these. They've just been sitting there. So let's get them all opened. And the only one that I've opened for that one is Magico over here. He's super cute with a little bunny coming out of his head. I didn't even show you the ones you can collect in these series. So for the Flower Power one, there was only 6 in the whole collection. I was only able to get my hands on 3 of them. Dupes. For the Carnival ones, they actually have 8 to collect. And like I said, I've only opened 1 so far. All right, let's open our first one. And seriously? Seriously? Another Magico? Seriously? How is that going to be the first one that I open? A dupe. Next bag. Oh, this one's cute. It has a little monkey. So this one is Trickster. We have to put it on the corkboard, of course. Put it next to Magico. So cute. Next one. No way that we got another Magico. What the heck? And the thing is, they don't sell these anymore, so I'm not going to be able to complete my collection. Ah. Next bag. Okay, a new one. That one's adorable too. This one is Premia. I think that's how you pronounce it. She needs to go on the corkboard. Boop. Next one. Oh my god. Magical is haunting me. Magical is giving me Marie vibes. If you know, you know. We have 2 more left. 2 more left. This is a joke. This has to be a joke. This is a joke. Ah! That's 4, if I'm not mistaken. Not including the one I have. That's 4 Magicals I opened. Just not magical. Come on. Please. We got a new one. Okay, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. And we ended up getting Romantica. She's cute with a little Ferris wheel on her head. There were 8 to collect in this series, and we only got 4. We only got 4, but I'm not too mad at it. And 3 from the Flower Power. So 3 out of the 6, 4 out of the 8. What can you do? Last but not least, we have our Disney Princess Crown Pins. I got these at Hobby Lobby, and these are what you can collect. I've only opened 1, and we got Aurora's crown. Honestly, we all know I want... Oh wait, there's no bell in here. Never mind. As long as I don't get Snow White, we're good. We're good. Have Tabby, thank goodness. Oh, we got Ariel. We got Ariel. Her pin is so cute. Next to Aurora, right here. She's so pretty. Last box. Once again, I did get these a while ago, so I don't even know if they're still available. The one I didn't want to get. We got Snow White's pin. Isn't it fitting? Because her movie's coming out this month. You guys know, I don't like Snow White, but we're adding the pin to the cork board. There she is. What a way to end it, right? Not only did I get 4 Magicos from the Unicorno Carnival series, but to end it with Snow White's crown, fitting. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And let me know if you got your hands on any of these collections. Possibly if you have extras of these as well that we can trade. I have 4 magicals. Just saying.